What is this called? Ladle. What is this called? Bowl. What is this called? Slotted spoon. What is this called? Knife. What is this called? Tongs. What is this called? Serving spoon. What is this called? Mortar and pestle. What is this called? Butter knife. What is this called? Grater. What is this called? Whisk. What is this called? Colander. What is this called? Tea strainer. What is this called? Butter churner. What is this called? Coconut scraper. What is this called? Rolling pin and board. What is this called? Sifter. What is this called? Basting brush. What is this called? Let me know in the comments.